Hello, it's me, Steph. Not stuck in the truck right now. I am somewhere that every week for about the last 5 months, Hippie's been saying, we gotta stop here, we gotta check it out. And today, maybe we're gonna get to check it out. I'm about to find out. Well, folks, here it is. The John Deere Tractor and Engine Museum. Here in, I don't know, I think we're still in Minnesota. I'm not entirely sure. But what I am sure of is that just the front of this place is pretty cool to check out. I feel like I'm in a field of dreams or something like that. Look at the size of this place. I can only imagine there's a lot of machinery in here. And a lot of, I don't know if this is wheat, but you guys know how I feel about gluten. I'm a little nervous right now. Well, you guys, it does say face coverings are required before entering the facility. And you guys know me, I have a face mask on. So while I wait for the hippie to go get his, let's check out this fine piece of machinery right here. Check that out. It says don't touch, so I can't sit in the wheel and take a selfie as I am wont to do. But check him out. He's large and in charge. Sorry if that's a little dark, you guys. It is almost Halloween now. All right, you guys, look at this. It's amazing. I'm gonna let you see it more, but we're inside. Check it out, you guys. They give you a ticket. It is free admission, so that is awesome. And they told us that we get to clock in, and I hope I get a paycheck for this day. I don't think I will, but how cool is that? Look at this beauty. Look at that. That is old school. That is old school. It says the Waterloo Boy Model and Tractor 1920. 1920, you guys. 15.98 drawbar horsepower. How awesome is this thing? I wasn't even excited to come here, but look at it. At home in the heartland, you guys. Look at this. Oh, I guess we're in Iowa. Sorry, Minnesotans and Iowans. I was mistaken. Those of you who are big John Deere people, you probably knew that and already tittered at my incorrectness. But look at this place. It is, whoa, that is massive. Look at that. You know I'm getting a selfie with that big boy. That is big. This place is intensely cool. They have spent some money making this. It says for more than 175 years, John Deere has been committed to the success of those linked to the land. Wow. Check it out. I know you guys are jealous right now because, come on. This place is really cool. I bet some of you even had one of these. This pedal tractor back from 1956. Or one of these bicycles. So cool. There are lots of pieces of machinery in here and lots of history. And we don't have a lot, I know I say that, we don't have a lot of time, but we don't have a lot of time. I suspect the hippie's going to bring us back here again because he loves to check out places like this. Look at this thing. They even have a theater here to learn more about John Deere. This is the 531 engine. Let's check it out. That's cool, you guys. If you bring your kids here or grandkids here, they've even got a little interactive station where you can be a tractor designer. Got some paper out here, more down there, stencils, lots of green pencils, and yellow. Wow, check out this one, you guys. It's all painted up for the Seabees. This was the John Deere Model 401 for 1972. I like this blue one. It's very cool. 1956, the Lanz Bulldog model. 1660, manufactured in Mannheim, Germany. Wow, that's downright sexy right there. There are so many tractors in here. Well, some of these probably aren't tractors. They probably do a lot of other things. But man, there's so much stuff in here. Who'd have thunk? Who'd have thunk it? Look at this old guy. Wow. This is a 1925, manufactured in Waterloo, Iowa. The popular and reliable Waterloo Boy engine was an important product for the Waterloo Gasoline Engine Company. This 2.5 horsepower engine, serial number 54819, was built on August 13, 1912. It is on loan from Ron and Wyon Preeb of Owanata, Minnesota. I probably said that wrong. My apologies, Minnesotans. Look at this old-timey goodness. I love that poster. A size for every need. Isn't that, well, let's just leave that right there. Oh.
I've always enjoyed working with engines. When I was a teenager, I built an engine in the workshop in our backyard, right here in Waterloo. As head engineer, I turned my attention to another one of my passions, the automobile. My colleague, Charles Duryea, and I briefly formed the Waterloo Motorworks in 1903, but it was my stationary engine and tractor designs that put Waterloo on the map and eventually attracted the attention of Deere & Company.
Wow, this place is so cool, you guys. Deere & Company officials wrote this check to purchase the Waterloo Gasoline Engine Company. The check total of $2.1 million does not include the $100,000 down payment and other fees. That is the only $2.1 million check I'm ever going to see, you guys. Here is a 1938 John Deere corn binder. I do not know how that works, but it seems cool. There's a lot of history in here. Very, very cool stuff. A water-cooled Galloway station engine from about 1916. Look at this. A Frolic traction engine. The heart of the Waterloo Gasoline Traction Engine Company. Let me stand back to take in its massiveness. Did I show you this yellow one? Look at that. That's fabulous. My friend Patty would love it. Very cool. Now, you guys, You know I can't stay here forever. I'm gonna have to go ahead and punch my time clock, my time card. And I got my time card punched. Hopefully I get paid for this excursion. Very cool. All right, you guys, you know what this is. The best part of every museum, the gift shop. Of course, they've got lots of great hats, cups, signs, toys. Well, of course, toys. Clothing of all sorts. For the little kids and the big kids. And of course, it looks like a few things would be good for working in. I gotta say, I kind of want this boom shirt. This shirt is nice. I like it. Farm raised. Even a little salt and pepper shaker. And some awesome cookie jars. You know, you guys, this John Deere Museum's a little cooler than I thought it was going to be. Well, as you know, we only have so much time to do the fun stuff. And then we have to get back to the less fun stuff. But would you check out these socks, these booties? They got something for everyone.